Hey guys, it's Stardog, and today I've recently changed my channel from Emma Pennant to Stardog. So on my old videos I've been saying Emma. Hey guys, it's Emma, but now I'm going to say hey guys, it's Stardog. That's okay with you guys. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. Okay, so today I am going to be doing a toy review. So let's pull from this green bag. I have lovely green paper bag. Oh yeah, and guys, remember, every time you request something, it's going into a bag. Now I have some toys, so if you request something, say National Development, I probably have it over in my toy room, where my dog daycare is. So these are some stuff I just bought today. So yeah, so I have the Harley Quinn collectible. So I'm gonna jump down and I'm gonna show you guys my Harley Quinn collectible. Okay guys, that was a fun jumperoo. And this is Harley Quinn. It's from Mattel. It's metal. So it's from Suicide Squad. So there's lots of details on this. So it has her face. It has blue right down here and red, and right here is her outfit that says Daddy's Little Girl on it, and it has her little bat, of course, behind there. And here's the back. So there's only like right here, there's 20 million of these, I believe. Just when I get that to focus. So yeah, kind of new with collectible things, but I think me and my sister are going to change rooms, and I'm going to have a certain thing to my room that's emoji Harley Quinn. So I just recently did my old room tour, but that's going to be in like a few months before, so that's going to be in a few months before we change. I think, I really don't know. I think we're changing rooms, I have no idea. So this is it. I'm going to open it from the back. Well, the bottom, not the back. I don't want to ruin this lovely packaging. Hold up. I got a new flower crown, and my hair's in curls. Okay, from the bottom. Oh my gosh, I can't even get it out. Hold on, now I have to open it from the top and push. Come on. Okay, that was fun. Now I'm just going to show you the packaging by itself. Zip. You got. Now, I like this background. I just do. Look at that beautiful background. Just gonna put this packaging over here. And so this is a little Harley Quinn. And she's in this packaging. No, I don't think I can get it out. I need scissors. Okay, Harley Quinn's done talk to you guys. Hold on. Harley Quinn cam's coming on. Now you have a chance to look at Harley Quinn. I'm going to get my scissors. You know what? I can even stand there. Hold on, guys. Move camera down. Now you guys can look at Harley Quinn. I'm going to go get some scissors. Okay guys, I am back. I should have put music in the background. I know I'm too dumb to do so. So, I'm just going to cut her open. And these scissors work. Well, may never know. Got it. Okay. Hold on, guys. No, I love doing her out. sorry for this so late, guys. I'm so sorry. If you guys want, you can just click out of the video. That would make me sad. Okay, I got it. Oh my gosh, she's so heavy. Oh, she can move. Oh, ho, ho. So, I'm just gonna put this little girl on top of that can. Yeah, so. Do, 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 do. 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 Okay, so I'm just gonna set it up here so you guys can kind of look at it. Slow motion drop. Okay. So this is her kind of like that. And now I'm just gonna show you up close. Okay, now we're gonna take it down a notch. Harley Quinn. I have trash like everywhere on my table right now. So this is Harley Quinn. She has this little pretty pink in her hair right here. This pretty light blue. Then she has blonde up here. Then you see she has some blue and pink makeup. Red lips, of course. Yeah, I think, yeah, that is pink. Okay, I want to put it up front. Okay, one's in the back and one's up front. And then, of course, she has her little bat on it. This is good night. It says good night on it. And she has her little jacket that says property Joker. Then she has a daddy's little girl thing. Then these very tiny booty shorts. Then she has these tenny heels. She's like gonna go night out in the town. But her ears, like, what happened? What happened to these ears? Just asking. Mattel, what happened to her ears? What happened? Just asking, Mattel. Just asking. I'm not an answer. I know what happened. So that's our little Harley Quinn. So I think I'm going to put my iPad back up. And so shout outs to Mitchell Miranda. If you guys don't know of him, just go type in his name, Mitchell Miranda. He's cool. He does lots of slideshows. Then Alicia Obar, you probably already checked her out before. She's been in some of my collabs. So, yeah, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can put what you want to see next in the comments below. So, bye guys. I was seeing Mr. Giant. Bye. Bye, Star Dogs.